Welcome back to the Minecraft Military Force, and today we are making the US Coast Guard helicopter. So this is a Eurocopter HH-65 Dolphin, and it's a search and rescue helicopter used by the United States Coast Guard service, and it's been a while since we built a Coast Guard build, so here it is. And this is actually a build by 3 people. Montes, he designed the original one, and then I modified it, and then McAlpaka modified my version, so it's really like a 3-man operation for this build. And we also do have like a new thing that I just learned in Minecraft. I didn't know you can do this before, but apparently you can place like skull wheels like this and it actually connects. And I'll show you how to do that. You'll have to make a special machine for that if you're building the landing gear. But if you're flying this in the air, you don't need to add in the bottom wheels. But anyways, let's get started on this tutorial. Alright, so the first thing we do, we're take red concrete, place it 2 blocks above the ground like this. I'm going to make it 8 blocks long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're to go to the side of this and go 1 block diagonally and delete that block underneath it. Then we're going to go to the front, delete this block too, and then we're going to make this hole 2 blocks deep like that, and then we're going to add a slab inside. It could be any slab, and you do this to the other holes like so. And then to add the skulls into the ground with the fence sticking out of it, we're gonna have to make this machine. Now, McAlpaka showed me how to design this, and he actually invented this machine. So I'm gonna show you how to build it. I'm gonna test it on the back wheels first. So what we're gonna do, let's add in a grass block right above the ground, 2 blocks above the ground, like so, and then we're going to add that birch fence on top of it. Then on top of that, we're going to add 2 pistons that are facing down. Then we're going to place a block next to the top piston and a block next to the fence. Then we're going to add levers on sides of both those blocks. And now we actually need to add in the armor stand inside of the thing like that, and let's add a wither skeleton skull on the inside. So basically we built this machine, and what we're gonna do, it's gonna like push, well, I'll just show you. We just pull the first lever down, goes in like that, and then pull the second lever down, and you can see like it pushes the fence and into the skull, and then we got the grass block covering up that armor stand in the ground, so it's not exposed, so we can get rid of this machine now. And yeah, that's how you do it. And the reason why you do it from above is because if you do it from the side, then it's not going to line up properly. So make sure you just do it from the top like I did. And we're going to do this to all other sides. So in the front, there was a red concrete block there, but I just replaced it with the impaler machine just for this. And then once we're done, we're going to place it back. So I built the 2 impalers. Now let's do it. First the top one, then the bottom one. Should be at the ground, and then you can delete this contraption. Move on to the other one, impale this one top first, then the bottom, and then we can delete it. Alright, so now we have all 3 of the landing gear wheels. What we're going to do, we're going to place back that red concrete that we removed earlier, and we're going to add a birch fence on the top of the back wheels, like so. Alright, then we're going to take acacia wood stairs, add to the side of the back. I'm going to wrap it around like so, and then the other side same thing. And then in the front of it, we're going to add 3 stairs upside down on the side. Then the front of that, we're going to add 2 acacia slabs. Front of that, we're going to add 2 nether brick slabs. The middle, nether brick stairs, and then nether brick slab in the middle and on top. Then we're going to take nether brick stairs, add it to the sides, facing the front, like so. Then we're going to take black concrete, let's add a T shape. And then we're going to add black concrete, make a Z shape after that. And let's extend it 2 more blocks. And then we're going to add it diagonal to that last block, like so. And then we're going to take red concrete, let's add an L shape right above where the landing gear is. that. And then we'll skip a block here and add 2 red concretes diagonally, like so. Then in this nook, we're going to add a quartz stairs facing the front upside down. And in between that, we're going to add a red concrete block. So just place it on the inside like so. And then we're going to go to the back and let's add in acacia slab in the middle, and then quartz slab and a white concrete on top of that quartz slab. Then we're going to take black concrete and we're going to add 4. So it's going to go towards the front, like so. Then we're going to take out a dragon head and we're going to place that so it's facing inside, like this diagonally. Then we're going to add a red concrete here and acacia stairs sticking out on the sides, like so. And then we're going to add a red glass pane in this nook here. Then we're going to go to the front and we're going to add in a 2x2 of black stained glass block like that. Add one in the back here, same thing on the other side. And then in the front, fill in the middle with black stained glass block, and we're going to add a row of 3 black stained glass panes, like so. And on this side, we're going to add a black stained glass block in this hole. The other side, we're going to fill that in with red concrete, so it looks like that. And then we're going to add in dark oak wood button right next to that ender skull or ender dragon skull, like that. And then we're going to add 3 red concretes to the back where the tail is. And to the side of that, we're going to add in acacia slabs. Let's make it 2 blocks across like that. Then we're going to add in acacia trapdoor above and below. And then we're going to open that up so it makes that H shape. And then we're going to add in acacia wood stairs right side up and facing the back like that, and another one upside down above it. Then we're going to make that S shape for the rotor using quartz stairs like that. And then we're going to add in acacia stairs facing the front right side up and upside down on top. And then in the back of that on top, we're going to add acacia stairs upside down facing the back. And then we're going to add red concrete in the front of it and 2 red concretes on top. Then we're going to add acacia slab on top of this red concrete, diagonally down red glass pane. And then there's going to be 2 acacia slabs there in the middle, and then another brick slab. Then down here we're going to add acacia slab in the middle. And then we're going to take acacia trapdoor and we're going to add 1 here. Let's skip 2, add another one here, add 1 to the back, and another one right here in the back, and close that up. Then we're going to add red banners to where this tail thing is going to be the stabilizers, like that, on the inside of it. And we're also going to add a red banner to the side where, just right above where the landing gear is, like so. Then we're going to take out a stone button, add 1 to the tail, right on top, and diagonally down dark oak wooden button. Then we're going to add another stone button on this red concrete on the side, like that, and a birch wooden button on the side of that black concrete, like so. Then where the black concrete is, we're going to add another brick stairs right here facing the back, another brick slab like so. Then we're going to add 3 red concretes in the front, 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to add 2 acacia stairs in the back facing outwards, like so. And then we're going to add acacia stairs in the middle, and then acacia slab in front of that. Sides, we're going to add another brick slab like that. And then on this side, we're going to add 2 acacia slabs like that. While the other side, there's sort of like this crane or something. We're going to add in acacia stairs facing the inside. Then acacia slab here. And this part, let's add acacia slab sticking out with a withered skeleton skull in the front of it. Then we're going to add acacia slabs, 2 blocks like that, with red concrete in the middle, and a birch fence on top of that. Then we're going to add dark oak wood trapdoors, add it to the sides. And then we're going to add a wither skeleton skull right here. And also one in the front, so it's kind of like diagonal like that. Then we're going to take out dark oak wood fence gates. And we're going to add that to the side, open that up towards the slab. Same thing on the other side, like so. And then we're going to take black carpet and add it on all 4 cardinal directions of that rotor, like that. And then we're going to take out dark oak wood trapdoor. Let's add 1 to each side. And how we're going to do this side, I don't know. Let's place a block temporarily there. And then the back, there's 1. Like that. And the other side. So we got this nice plus shape. Now I'm going to add black carpet right above all of them. Like so. And then we're going to add the next layer, which let's go on this side. And we're going to go diagonally and add 2 dark oak wood trapdoors. And I am crouching in midair just to place this down. And then we're going to place another 2. And then we're going to place another 2. And I think, is that it? So it's 4. Basically 4 layers like that. And then the other side, let's do the same thing just in the other direction. So there's going to be 3 more of these pairs. 2 and 3. Now the ones in the front pretty much do the same thing, but going towards the front instead. And we want to make this nice windmill. So we're going to make 3 more pairs of these trapdoors, and then we're going to cover up them with carpet, which has white stripes. You'll see it later on. So this part here, same thing. Just 3 more of these pairs of trapdoors. Alright, so once we have that, we're going to go and add white carpet to the edges. Then we're going to add in, well, we're going to skip a block here and add in another one, skip a block, add another one. So we have 3 of these white carpets, and they're going to be spaced apart, starting from the edge. Then the rest, we're just going to cover that up with black carpet on top. Go across. It shouldn't be like that hard to do. So we got all 4 blades covered up with a nice black and white design. Now what we're going to do, we also do need to add in this Coast Guard stripe. Maybe you don't want it though, but just in case you do, add a little more detail. It's actually like 4 different banners. So alright, so we're going to get red dye, blue dye, black dye, and a white banner for all of these pretty much. Let's take a white banner, place it inside. And then we're going to place red dye inside. And then we want to make it so it goes pretty much diagonal halfway like this. So we're going to take that banner, place it in our inventory. Then we're going to place a white banner again, red dye, and then we're this time make the other stripe like so. Then we're going to place a white banner again, and we're going to make the other one as well again. And then there's going to be a last corner like so. So we got all these 4 different banners, right? And now so we're going to take the banners with the red on the upper corners, and we're going to mix that up with blue dye. And I'm going to add a stripe across the center of it. And you want the stripe to match the same angle. So let's go here. And then get the other one with the upper red. And we want to make sure we get that right. So once we have all these banners, we're going to take all of them, place it right there, and add a black dye across the row on top. So let's try to find that. So we're going to add it on top like that. And get the rest of the banners and pretty much do the same thing for all of them. Alright, so we got all 4 of these different banners. So let's go on this side, and we're going to add that blue stripe one in the back, and in the front we're going to add red on the bottom corner, so it kind of matches up that stripe. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, just with like the other 2 banners, so it matches up like so. And then on this side, we're going to add a wither skeleton skull right underneath this stone button. And yeah, that's actually pretty much it on how to build the US Coast Guard HH-65 in Minecraft. And thanks to Montes, and whoa, I'm wearing a wither skeleton skull, that's weird. But thanks to Montes and McAlpaka for helping design this build. If you guys enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button down below and subscribe if you hadn't already, because I'll be uploading more videos like this in the future, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.